How you drive is the length of your car. How you take care of your body is the length of your person. Should you really wait until you're out of gas completely to fill up? Well, if you're on a road trip and you drank 3 Gatorades, you might not make it all the way to the tank empty before you got to stop and get gas. And just like your body regulates and tells you, hey, I'm thirsty, or hey, it's time to go to the restroom, your car really does the same, and we try and respect it. Now, you wouldn't every day hold on until you had to pee really, really bad and then run to the restroom, right? No, as soon as you know you got to go, you just go. We got modern plumbing, right? And if you're thirsty, you don't wait until you're parched and you're dying and you can't talk. You just grab a cup of water. It's easy, it's accessible, we live in a modern society. Well, the same is true for your vehicle. Now, gas stations are everywhere. Even in the middle of nowhere, you'd be surprised, they're all over the country. As a result, we see a lot of folks, though, that drive until that tank's almost empty and that fuel light's on. And there's a myth around this. People think that doing that gets all that gas through, and if there's anything, any sediment or deposits, it's going to help clear it out. So it's like pouring your cup empty every time, which in theory would be a great idea. However, this really isn't true for your vehicle. And the main reason is your fuel pump is submerged in fuel to keep it cool. Heat is the enemy of everything, including you, and your engine, and all the parts inside it. In this case, the electronic vane-driven pump, called the fuel pump, is liquid-cooled. So the less fuel that's in it, the hotter it runs, the greater the friction that it experiences, and the more friction it experiences, the sooner it fails. So if you're the person who runs until that fuel light's on every time, congratulations, you're going to see us for fuel pumps a lot more often than you should. At the same time, we want you keeping a little bit of gas in, especially in the winter months, to make sure that you don't deal with hard freeze or sediment or separation. And if there is anything contaminating your fuel tank, that gives the opportunity for that fuel pump pickup and strainer to actually sort and pick that up before it creates a problem for your engine. So don't run it till the fuel light's on and it's all the way out of gas. Get gas when you need it. Take care of your person, take care of your car, and it'll last you a long time. Or you can run it till it's all the way out, always have to hold it to pee, and you might be in renal failure. We don't want your car in renal failure. We want you safe, we want you happy, and we want your car keeping one fuel pump for its whole life. If you've had to replace 3 fuel pumps in the same car, I want you to think about your driving habits. I want you to think about how often you're getting gas, and I want you to make a change.